Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I created this really pretty glitter ombre set. So let's get right into it. For today's video I will be using this gel polish kit from Rosalind, and I did go ahead and purchase it myself. This video is not sponsored. This kit cost $8.99 on Amazon, and it is a 6-piece reflective glitter gel polish set. The bottles are 7 ml and the colors are so pretty. They're absolutely perfect to do some spring nail designs. And as you can see, the colors are really pigmented and the reflective glitter is just so bright and shimmery. I'm so excited to use these nail polishes. I do apologize for the noise in the background. My little duggies are just playing around. We got a new little puppy and they're trying to get used to him, so please excuse my doggies. Anyways, this kit does go ahead and come with pink, purple, blue, green, orange, and red, and as you can see, they're just absolutely gorgeous. So I am gonna go ahead and swatch these for you, so go ahead and enjoy. Here's all the colors after they've been swatched. I highly recommend you guys go ahead and purchase these. Oh my god, they're so pretty. I'm so excited to use them today. This is how they look without the flash, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my flash so you can see how sparkly they are. Just look at that reflective glitterness. Oh my goodness. Rosalind, these gel polishes are absolutely amazing. So let's get started. I am using my 2XL natural full cover square tips, and I did get these from Amazon. I'll be sure to leave them linked in the description box below, and as always they are already primed and base coated. And I'm gonna go ahead and just use a different color for each nail. Obviously the kit came with 6, but I can only use 5 for this set, so I am gonna go ahead and just use 5 of them. And I'm just gonna go ahead and paint just the tip part of the nail, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use my ombre brush, and just with very light force, you want to just go ahead and just blend it towards the cuticle area. That way whenever we go ahead and apply the nude gel polish, it's gonna have, you know, a seamless blend. And you want to just go ahead and just do the lightest touch. You don't want to put a lot of pressure when doing this step, okay? So after you do that to all the nails, go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. Okay, Okay, now that the nails have been cured, you want to go ahead and take a nude gel polish color. I'm using this one from BEETLES. It's a rubber base gel. And you want to go ahead and just paint on the cuticle area. And you want to go ahead and just blend it towards the tip of the nail, maybe halfway. And you're going to use the ombre brush to go ahead and fade it out. And you again want to just use some light pressure when doing this step. After you've done all the nails, go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. Okay, now you want to go ahead and apply a second layer of each color on the tip of the nails and go ahead and blend it towards the cuticle area again with your ombre brush with light pressure, and then go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. Now we're going to go ahead and apply a second layer of that nude base gel, and then we're going to go ahead and blend it with our ombre brush and fade it out towards the middle once again, and then cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to go ahead and take these colors that match the reflective glitter gel polishes, and I'm just going to go ahead and use my liner brush from BEETLES and make some abstract lines on each nail. If you need to go ahead and clean up your lines, just use some acetone and a cleanup brush like I'm doing here, and just wipe down the sides, and then go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. Then after they've been cured, go ahead and apply a thick layer of some juicy top coat. I happen to use SAVILAND in my BEETLES gel polish bottle. I'm always refilling my bottle because I love this SAVILAND top coat. It saves me money and I highly recommend it. It's really nice and thick and has a really nice shine to it. So after you've applied the top coat, go ahead and tip them upside down, and that will help pull the gel polish to the center of the nails. And as you can see, this is how they look after they're finished. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. I love these full cover nail tips as well. They have such a beautiful tapered square shape. I don't have to do any filing. And as you can see, the reflective glitter is just amazing under the flash. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.